Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a science experiment, and this is called bubbly reactions. So I already have everything set up, and the things I'm going to be using for this experiment are baking soda, citric acid. I'm going to be using 2 measuring cups, and they're labeled A and B. An experiment cup. This is about a tablespoon, just a little scoop, a tray, and some mixing sticks for my experiment. And some things, everything else, I'm just gonna have some hot water and some cold water. I put them in there so I don't hurt myself. So let's start. Okay, so what you're gonna start off with is, I'm gonna follow the instructions from the Kiwi kit. So I'm gonna have to add 1 scoop of citric acid into each of the empty measuring cups. So these things, and I'm gonna put it in the tray. So the citric acid, so just 1 scoop. And just a scoop you're gonna do. So the first thing you gotta do is put 1 scoop of citric acid in. Okay, so that's just about enough. And then the next step is to put 4 scoops of baking soda in the experiment cup. So I'm gonna put these aside for now. I'm gonna use the experiment cup now. So get the baking soda. This is gonna take a while to open. I don't know why this is so hard to open. Now that it's open, now you're gonna put 4 scoops of this in. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, and this is the last one. 4 scoops of baking soda. I'm gonna have to put this right there because that was my experiment cup. He's messing up the video, but it's okay. I'm very scared. I don't want to get my hair messed up, so I'm just gonna tie my hair up very quickly. It's only gonna be a minute. But the next step is to mix, bubble gel. Okay, so, I did not know we were using bubble gel. I definitely did not read that correctly. Bubble gel. This is what bubbles are made out of, and I have a bit of it. So I'm gonna have to put 1 scoop of bubble gel into the baking soda, and I'm gonna have to use a stir stick to stir until the mixture becomes a paste. So, right here, this kind of looks like, this is also what soap is made out of. So soap and like bubbles, they're made out of bubble gel. And bubble gel is like this jelly looking thing. I don't know how much I need. It just says 1 scoop. That should be enough. I'm gonna zoom it in a bit. See, I didn't fill it up all the way to the top. I don't know why. It's very sticky. And just gotta dump it out. It's taking a while. I'm gonna have to clean this up later. Yeah, see? Okay, so for the leftover bubble gel, I'm going to scoop it up. And I'm gonna be using my 2 popsicle sticks to clean it up. Okay. He feels like interrupting me. So rude. I'm just gonna use both my stir sticks because I need them for the other cup too. So I'm just gonna scoop the rest out with my stirring stick so I'm not wasting anything. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what my younger brother's doing. He's making a bunch of background noise. So what you're supposed to do is stir this until it forms a paste. I don't think I made enough. Should I just add some more bubble gel? Because it's not pasting like it's supposed to. Oh, never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna have to fill cup A halfway with cold water, so I'll do that once I get a paste. Okay, I don't think I put enough bubble gel. I'm just gonna put a bit more in, but this time I'm not using my measuring spoon. So just a bit more, just 2. I'm only gonna put like 2 little drops of it in. Keep on mixing, mixing, and mixing. So I'm supposed to mix this until it forms a paste. Okay. This is not forming a paste. I don't think it's supposed to form a perfect one. Hold up, I'm gonna be right back. Hold up, let me just check the next page. Is it actually supposed to form a paste? It's supposed to make a baking soda ball. really care. Okay, so that's the most I'm gonna do. I think it's a pretty nice paste. And I'm just gonna put that to the side. So next I'm gonna have to fill up cup A with cold water. So I'm just gonna put that in the tray. Actually, I'll use the tray later. I'll put this right here on my plastic bag. So this is the cold water. I'll just put it in these. So I'm just supposed to fill it up with cold water. I'm just gonna put it up to the 60 mark. Do you see any reaction, guys? I'm gonna zoom this in. Look at this. Hold up. Look at that. The baking soda. So I don't know if you guys saw it, but the baking soda was like rising up. It wasn't baking soda. It was citric acid. The citric acid was rising up. And then the cup B is gonna have some warm water. So I tried to get it as warm as I could from tap. And I'm gonna zoom into this one to see what happens. Ooh, see, this one's doing it too. Okay, I think, yeah, the water is uneven. So let me just keep on doing it. So this time there wasn't much of a reaction. So I think warm water definitely dissolves it faster, if that's one of the questions on there. I'm missing a popsicle stick. I'm just gonna use this one popsicle stick. So I'm just gonna mix this until the little citric acid pieces are dissolved. I don't know. So I guess, well, at least a bit mixed in because I don't know if it actually like melts or anything. And fun fact, they do put citric acid in things like sparkling water, orange juice, most juices, you know, they all have citric acid in them. So most of them have citric acid. Okay, stop. Most of them have citric acid in it. Okay, I think that's enough mixing. So next, okay, so once it's mixed in, I'm gonna have to scoop up half of the soda paste and split the part. Okay, so I gotta take half of this out and paste it up into balls. So let me just put this right here. I don't want it to spill or anything. I'm only gonna take a bit. These are like so tiny, but it'll work. It'll work. Just half of it, just half of it. You know what? I'm just gonna dump it all out. I don't have time to do a second. A little pasty stuff. Okay, here it is. There's my mixture. Oh god, there's water on this. Hold up. Let me just take everything off to show you guys. I put on a plastic bag because I don't want it to get everywhere. Right there. I can't put it closer. I'm too scared for it to fall. And I'm gonna form these into 2 balls. So I'm gonna pull this and I'm going to form it into 2 balls. So yeah. Okay. This is gonna be impossible, but nothing's impossible. I don't know how to form these. This is impossible. This is literally impossible. You know what? I think that should be enough. I'm just gonna put it to the side. And next is I'm gonna put both of these in there. So I'm just gonna remind you, this is cold water and this warm water. So cup A has the cold water. I'll put that back here so you guys can see. And cup B has the warm water. So I'm gonna show you guys the reactions. Okay. So this is for cup A. Ooh, do you guys see that? It foamed up. Okay, and this is for cup B, and cup B is with the warm water. So let's see what the warm water does. Oh, look at that! Look how much cup B did. Look at that, that's complete foam. So I think we've noticed something. Cup A is way better than cup B, but I'm gonna add some more to, wait, sorry, cup B is way better than cup A. See, even if I add some more, cup B isn't doing much for me.
Look, it's spilling.
I know, I'm gonna clean it up. So, here it is, cup B and cup A. We can tell that warmer water just makes it rise farther, and colder water doesn't do that much. There you go. So, so all that fizzing is thanks to chemical reaction between the baking soda and citric acid. So why does cup B bubble faster? That's because the heat helps speed up the reaction. The water in cup B is warmer, so the reaction in that cup it's gonna happen quicker. And by the way, did you know that the bubbles are filled with a special gas called carbon dioxide and the same stuff that makes soda fuzzy? So basically, you all know that's in soda. So, there's a few more things we can try out, but not in today's video. Some more things we could have done is we could add more citric acid when the experiments stop bubbling. Try the experiments again with a different amount of baking soda, or touch the cups while they're fizzing to measure the temperature with a thermometer before and after. So, fizzing. Ooh, wait a minute. I just noticed something. The warm water became colder when the fizzy happened, and the colder water became so not fizzy. So yeah, so that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys all on the next one. Goodbye!